The main objective of our semester long project was to build the partners and business app. Business app is used for adding and modifying data. This is the main interface of our business app. Now we will try to register a hospital using our business app. First of all, we need to provide a registered phone number. An OTP will be sent. We have to provide that OTP. We need to provide the PIN of that agent. Each agent has different pins. Now we have to click on register. Now here we have to provide the basic info of the hospital. For each info, a key value pair will be generated automatically, and that key value pair will be uploaded to our database. This location is also converted to latitudes and longitudes for easier functionality. Now we have to provide the department details of the hospital. In this, we have to select from the autocomplete text view, and no other entries are allowed. Here we will select 3 to 4 departments. Now we have to provide the doctor details for each of the department. In this, the key value pairs are automatically generated, and that key value pair will be exported to our database. These info will be shown in our main app, where a user can search through hospitals, and when he clicks on the particular doctor, all this info will be displayed. Here we need to provide the price of that doctor. After clicking on add, all this data will be uploaded to our database. Now this data has been uploaded to our database. Let's see. As we can see here, the basic info of all the Fortis hospital has been uploaded to our database. Now we'll see that the doctor has been added or not. Now the department is added, followed by the doctor details. Now we'll try to add one more department, doctor to one more department. As usual, we have to provide all the basic info of that doctor. All the fields are mandatory fields. If any of the fields is not filled up, then an error will be displayed. After clicking on the doctor will be uploaded to our database. Now as we can see, Dr. Tushar has been registered in Ayurved medicine. All the basic info have been registered. Now we'll try to register other entities using our app. First we have to provide the number which we want to register. We have to provide the OTP sent to that phone number, and after that we have to provide the basic info. In this case, where we have selected an ambulance, we also have to provide the type of ambulance, whether it is a semi, advanced or basic, and the ownership of ambulance. As for every type of ambulance, there is a separate algorithm. After clicking on next, a node will be created. Now we have to upload the essential documents. After clicking on next, this Aadhaar card will be uploaded to our database. We need to provide all the documents. Until then, the next button will be disabled in this screen. After clicking on next, we have to provide the bank details for handling payments. Now that entity had been registered. As we can see, Ashish Jha has been registered as an ambulance provider, with its phone number being the primary key. Now we'll see the documents. Here the Aadhaar card has been uploaded, driving license, PAN card, and vehicle RC. Now we'll see the Partners app. This is the start screen of a Partners app, where we have to select an entity. The home screen of each entity is different. Medical stores and hospitals are still in progress. This is the ambulance section, where we have to provide the registered phone number of the ambulance provider. An OTP will be sent. After providing the correct OTP, the home interface will be shown. There is a working switch which tells whether the ambulance driver is working or not. If it's on, then the latitude and longitude will be updated every 5 seconds in our real-time database. Just a sec. As you can see, the latitude and longitude is updated every 5 seconds in our real-time database. The app even works in the background. If the switch is off, then the node will be deleted. Switch is on, the node will be created. Delivery partner section also works in a similar way. Now we will integrate both apps with our user app. Now we will try to find an ambulance using our main app. First we need to provide our phone number, then the correct OTP. After this, the app checks whether the user exists in a database or not. If it exists, then he will be diverted to home screen. Otherwise, he has to set up his account. Now the user is registered in our database. As you can see, the user details has been registered to our database. Now we'll try to find an ambulance using our app. In this case, no driver was available. First of all, it displays our current location. Then we make a pickup request. If the drivers are available, then it shows the driver's location. Otherwise, our alert dialog box will be prompted, stating that no driver was available. Now, as we can see, there is a driver available with its latitude and longitude updated every 5 seconds. Now we will try to search an ambulance using our app. In this case, a driver was available and the driver was found. Now this is the appointment section. We have to select an hospital, followed by department, followed by doctor. Then we have to select a date of appointment. And after selecting, that query will be registered in our database and we will see that query.